This is for some of you parents who have just found out that your son is dating somebody or has a girlfriend. You may have found out because your son has told you about it, or because you just found out by yourself. And this is for parents of boys who are teenagers, 15, 16-year-old boys. Here are a couple of things that you need to do once you find this out. One is, do not show any extreme emotion like extreme happiness or oh my god, you finally found somebody for life kind of a thing, or extreme shock, because this is very normal. Today teenagers are experimenting much earlier with a lot of things than what our generation did in our times. So even 13, 14, 15-year-olds may, I'm saying may, have girlfriend or boyfriend, and they may also be sexually active. So be prepared that all of this can happen. Secondly, these are the 2 or 3 things that you might want to tell your son or talk to your son about, specifically if he or she is having a girlfriend. One is, you must tell your son that it is okay to have a girlfriend or a relationship, but that it should not come at the cost of whatever he has to do in his life at this stage. So coach your child to balance out the relationship aspect of the life along with studies. Secondly, talk to your child about sex, safe sex, and do talk to your child to take measures to stay safe in case he or she is sexually active. Now, no teenager is going to tell the parent if he or she is sexually active, but as parents we need to tell our children that they have to be safe. If, like I said, if you're the parents of boys, then make sure you tell your boy to make sure that the girl with whom he is close is safe. Also teach your sons to take no for an answer and to not force themselves on their girlfriends. Also tell your child to be aware of sexually transmitted diseases, so to take precautions so that your teenager does not get that, and to also make sure that your teenager keeps healthy boundaries and respects the boundaries of his or her girlfriend. Remember, as parents, we like to believe that our children do not do things at a young age. We like to believe that they will only be sexually active after marriage, etc., etc., but that's not a reality. The ground reality is today more and more younger kids are getting sexually active, and by sexual active I do not mean that they all are having intercourse. Sexually active could be in many different ways, but it is important that as parents of today's generation we are comfortable talking about this with our child, and we also need to know that we will not be told everything. Everybody wants space, so no teenager is going to delve into the details of how deep or close he or she is with their girlfriend or boyfriend, and that is okay. You need to respect the space that your teenager is asking from you, but at the same time make sure that you have these conversations in an open, honest way. If you have a specific concern for your son, whether it is related to sexual safety, whether it is related to pornography, whether it is related to any other addictions, make sure you voice it out to your child, not from the language of blaming and shaming that I know you are doing this, or you might be doing this, you might be doing that, but rather express it as your own concern that I have been reading about this and I'm concerned about this, and I just want to tell you that please be safe in these areas. So if you are parents of boys, these are a few things that I am sharing from my own personal experience. It is important to have an open, honest conversation with your teens about sex, safe sex, taking no for an answer, and not forcing their girlfriends to doing things which they are not comfortable with. So if we raise boys who are respectful, mindful, and responsible, then we also ensure that the girls stay safe. And as parents, I think it is our duty to talk about this, not be quiet, not give indirect messages, but to talk about it openly and honestly, so that if children get into trouble, they can also come and talk to us, and with our wisdom, with our experience, we can help them come out of it as well. I hope this was useful.